Yesterday these brackets were welded on to our go-kart. Get a good clear shot of that. They were welded on to enable these parts here to slide in and out, which I'll demonstrate.
The reason why we've got these oversized frame is so the entire cart slots together as 3 pieces.
Yes.
Why everything is cut extra length at the minute? Because we haven't got a standard size bicycle to make the fifth wheel.
Oh, okay.
So what we can do is we can fit our bicycle in here, we can anchor it, we can put the mounting points up on the top of the shock absorber,
Yep.
and then we can adjust this. We can cut it to length, we can even screw and bolt, or we can actually just put
Tack them.
yeah, six spot welds. The beauty of doing this is that, say for instance at a later date you want to put pedal motor on it,
Yeah.
instead of having to change the design of the whole cart,
Yeah.
all you have to do is just grind your welds off, pull your back end out, weld your plate and put your motor on, sort out your drive line. So all you're doing is affecting the driving part.
Okay.
The nose itself, that's all been cut ready for manufacture. The only issue we got with the nose is how you can actually create the angle to bring the bar
Down.
and then put it square so it actually mounts in again. So the entire thing is going to slot together in 3 pieces.
Yep.
And then we're going to get our wishbones on it. Once we've got our lengths, we put strengthening brackets in here and here.
Yeah.
These will do actually nothing. These are just a protection for the wheel area. Probably put them down there as well. Same with the top. These will be slid out and turned around.
Yep.
They'll match it with the frame, and again we'll just cut them to suit the length.
Yeah.
So what we've created is a system where we can easily change the size of the frame to suit the components which we've actually got.
So you can alter the length
Yeah,
if
the
you
length,
need
the
it
length, yeah, yeah.
shorter or
Yeah.
longer. Awesome.
As a matter of fact, saying that, you know, if we'd have actually made this square slightly oversized, this part here slightly oversized, we could have actually put the bracket again, we could have kept the same theory going right the way through. So
Yeah.
we could actually made this short, and then again we would have, because we're going to make an adjustable steering column to go with this as well.
Yeah.
Iran has got the starter motor adapted as well, ready.
Yeah.
So we're doing alright.
Cool.
We'll be done now.